Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and today's video is totally about KDP keyword research. Actually other day I did a poll and you can see here what should be next video about, and here you can see out of 47 votes 38% are saying KDP keyword research. So based upon this poll I am prioritizing my videos, so I will be publishing first KDP keyword research, that is today's video. Then I will do a video on Amazon ads, and the third one will be on KDP niche research. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started with our KDP keyword research process. For doing a better KDP keyword research process, you need to watch this video full and till the very end. Don't skip and don't forward this video, because these teeny tiny details either can make or break your KDP business. So you need to focus on every little details. So doing keyword research is very important, and assuming that you have done your niche research and you have selected a topic or selected a book you need to publish, and for the sake of this video I am using the example of accounting ledger. So accounting ledger falls under the logbook niche, and this is the one book you can publish in logbooks, that is accounting ledger and or accounting logbook. So let's get started. The very first step is make a long list of keywords. So you need to have a list of keywords like this. I have done this already. There is a long list of keywords. You need to find as many keywords related to accounting ledger. Accounting ledger is the example for this video. So I have done this and I have found 132 keywords. There should be many duplicates in this list. We will remove the duplicates and we will have a list. So once you have done this list of keywords, I will show you step by step how to get these keywords and what tools you should need to have a list of keywords. All the tools are free. I am using free tools in this video, and we will be doing our keyword research using for free tools only. So we will make a list first here, and then we will using the criteria of 1000 search results. Our every keyword that has more than 1000 search results should be avoided. You will be only focusing on the keyword that has less than 1000 Amazon search results, and most importantly we will be searching in the all categories, not in books. So what should we do? Our first step would be go to amazon.com, and here in the all category just input accounting ledger, just simply here, and you will see this long list of suggestions. These are presented by this extension, that is Ultimate Amazon Search Suggestion Expander from Self Publishing Titans. You need to install this Chrome extension to have a list of related keywords. So once you have done this, install this extension, just do a research like accounting ledger or accounting journal and download all these keywords. Just click on the downloads, and I have already downloaded this onto my computer, so I am not downloading it again. So once your keywords are downloaded, just open an Excel sheet like this and paste here on the keyword column. Under the keyword column, next column should be Amazon results and next should be links. These would be these links to our specific keyword research page. So first thing is choosing Amazon search bar. This will give you plenty of keywords. The next thing is go to tool keyword.io. This is keyword.io. You can sign up for free, and once you are there, just click on Amazon and here type again accounting ledger, select US only and click search. This will give you further list of keywords related to accounting journal or accounting logbook. So you can use variations of keyword like accounting ledger or accounting journal. So I will log in using my. Once you have got these keywords, there are 41 keywords, just click add all and then click on export. You need to log in to export these results. So just first you doing this search, you need to log in. Signing up is free and you can download keywords for free here. Once you are logged in, just click on Amazon and type accounting ledger and in the US English and hit search, and here we go. We will have a list of almost 41 keywords. Click on add all and click on export as text file or copy selection to clipboard. Just click on copy selection to keyboard and go back to your Excel sheet and come here and you can paste here Ctrl+V and these keywords will be pasted here. I am undoing this because I have already pasted these keywords. So this was our second source of keywords. First was Amazon search, the second was keyword.io, the third is Helium 10. So I am using free version of Helium 10. If you haven't if you are not using Helium 10, then you can check out the link in the description if you want to upgrade, and you will get 50% discount on your first month. So I am using basic version. You can also do the basic version, that is free. You can do 2 searches. What I did is I searched accounting journal in the Amazon search bar and selected the very top listed or top ranking book, that is accounting. I selected this is the bestseller. I opened this is the page of sales page of this book, and I just scrolled down and copied the ASIN of this, and then I went to Helium 10 here, and under the keyword I selected Cerebro reverse ASIN lookup, and I pasted the ASIN in the search bar. Just for a sec. So here we pasted our keyword, our ASIN, and then exact and get keywords. So it will ask, the free version will give us 50 keywords. The 50 keyword this accounting journal or accounting logbook is ranking for, that would be very helpful for our keyword research process. So once you are there, you just need to go here export and click on Excel and download an Excel version of this, and you will have 50 more keywords. So I have already exported this and I can show you. I have already downloaded this. You can see here this is US Cerebro and the ASIN is already appended toward the file name. And once you got these keywords, you need to open this Excel sheet and copy all the keywords here too, and just come here to your main keyword research file, that is Excel sheet, and paste here. I have already pasted these keywords taken from Helium 10 as well. So now we have a long list of keywords by these 3 resources from Amazon, from keyword.io, and from Helium 10 ASIN reverse keyword lookup. So by doing these 3 resources, you can also go to Helium 10's keyword tool like on the home page, and you can also do some keyword research like here. You can type here on the home page. You can do 3 researches per day as a free account, like accounting ledger book. So you will get some other keyword research or keyword suggestions. You can also note down these keywords to your list here. So the idea is to get as many keywords as you can and then validate those keywords against the minimum criteria, that is the keyword should have 1000 results at max. So let's get started with our validation process. So I am taking one by one these keywords, copy, and we will search into the all sections, all departments, paste here and click OK. 502. So search results for this keywords are 502. I will do 5 to 10 keywords, and I will not waste your time while doing keyword search for all these keywords. Before doing this, you need to remove the duplicate. Just select this column and go to data and click on remove duplicates and click on remove duplicates again. And 28 keywords had been removed, and we are now left behind with 104 keywords, and that are very closely related to accounting ledger. Now copy the first you need to copy the link as well. So this is 502 results for this keyword. Just right click and click on shorten link and copy. I am using an extension named, bear with me, I am sure this is URL shortener. You can use this Chrome extension to get this option of shorten link and copy. Just copy this and paste it here onto your keyword sheet here. Now select the second keyword and redo the process again. Paste here in the all category, click search and note down the search results 8 to 6. These are 8 to 6. These are all. I have done a conditional formatting. You can do the conditional formatting for cells so that everything that is below 1000 will turn into green. You can do here, just right click on the any cell and select some cells, like I am selecting these 10 cells. Right click and go to conditional formatting and add a rule, and the rule should be format rules if it is less than or equal to 1000, then its color should be green. So here, and then you can add another rule. If the cell data is greater than 1000, and its color should be red or blue or brown. You can set any, that is your choice. So next we will search for this keyword and paste it here and click on search, and you can see 30,000 results. That's way too high. 30,000. So it is red ledger paper. Paste it here, click on search and note down the search results, that is again 20,000. Okay, accounting ledger sheets, another keyword. Paste it here and note down the results. So don't forget to copy the link of each keyword. I just forgot to copy. So 640, right click here and shorten link and copy, and here we will paste right 640 and paste our link here so that we can go back and recheck anytime. So this is accounting ledger book with pockets. You cannot use this in the title or subtitle. You can all use these keywords in the backend or for your ad campaigns like this with pockets. So but we need to validate this keyword again. it may be very low competition. No, it's a bit competitive, 2000. Okay, but you can see books are ranking against this keyword. These are this is individually published. Okay, our next keyword is 6 column. Okay, paste it here and hit OK and note down the 10,000 results. Copy link again. I would prefer to copy the links for only keyword that has less than 1000 results to save time only. Focus on the relevant keywords. Accounting ledger binder. So you can also change your main keyword to accounting logbook and make even huge list of keywords. That is 285 results. Another very good keyword, 285. You can use this keyword in the back end. You cannot use this into the title or subtitle, but this is good for Amazon campaigns or in the back end. That is very good key for accounting ledger book for home. So that would be good option too. And just note down the keywords and their Amazon searches. 784, very good keyword. Just copy the link, that is shorten link and copy. 784 and here it's green again, and copy the link. So this is the whole process. I will not waste your time by doing this all, and that is not necessary. I know you have got the idea. And one thing, I may be search all these keywords and may leave a link in the description for just $1 only, but that is optional. I may not do this and I can do this. It all depends upon the time. If I had time, I will do this for you and leave the link in the description and you can get it for $1 only, but that is not mandatory. So this is whole process. Just to recap, just first get keywords, use the extension Ultimate Amazon Search Suggestion Expander from Self Publishing Titans. Second extension is our, what is the name of extension? URL Shortener. These are two extensions. I am not using keyword everywhere for this purpose. I do have credits left, but that is not necessary to know the Google searches for your keyword. The main thing is Amazon search results, and so you are good to go. Just take keywords from Suggestion Expander and take keywords from keyword.io, and then again take keywords from Cerebro by doing a search for reverse lookup for any top ranking book. You can reverse engineer this keyword, this book or this book. These are all bestsellers, and make a huge list of keywords and then validate on Amazon.com in all categories. That is all the idea for keyword research. This is very simple to do and very easy to do. It takes time. You need to do manual work, you need to spare some time, and that is all required in any business. And so that is all from me today. If you have liked this video, then do give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.